Google Pixel 7a unlocked Android cell phone. Smartphone with wide-angle lens and 24-hour battery. 128 gigabytes. Charcoal. Fast charging. Pixel 7a has a 24-hour battery life and supports fast charging up to 72 hours with extreme battery saver turned on. Advanced camera. Pixel 7a has a 6.1-inch OLED display with 1080p video capture and a 64MP rear camera that performs well in low light. Security features. Pixel 7a has a 6.1-inch OLED display with 1080p video capture and a 64MP rear camera that performs well in low light. It also has a biometric fingerprint sensor for quick unlocking. Wireless connectivity. Pixel 7a supports NFC, Wi-Fi, USB, and Bluetooth for easy connectivity to other devices. Water-resistant design. Pixel 7a has a water-resistant design that allows you to use it even in rainy or wet conditions. Long battery life. Pixel 7a has a 4,385 mAh battery that provides up to 24 hours of use per charge, with the option to extend battery life up to 72 hours with extreme battery saver. Dual SIM card slots. Pixel 7a has dual SIM card slots for convenient use with 2 separate phone numbers. Google Tensor G2 processor. Pixel 7a is powered by a Google Tensor G2 processor for fast performance and advanced AI features. Google Assistant integration. Pixel 7a has Google Assistant integration for hands-free assistance and control. 1-year manufacturer warranty. Pixel 7a comes with a 1-year manufacturer warranty for peace of mind and protection.